Hello and welcome to Filipicano, the channel dedicated for teaching the Filipino, Tagalog language, and Ilocano, a local native dialect. In this video, you will be learning the word earthquake in Filipino. The word earthquake in Filipino is lindol. 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 Here are some sample sentences and/or phrases. There was an earthquake yesterday. May lindol kahapon. May lindol kahapon. I am scared of an earthquake. Takot ako sa lindol. Takot ako sa lindol. There is an earthquake. Remain calm and stay safe. May lindol. Manatiling kalmado at ligtas. May lindol. Manatiling kalmado at ligtas. And there you have it. You have learned the word earthquake in Filipino. We hope you find this video helpful. If you are having the problem pronouncing the Filipino vowel, please check the description box below for the link on the tutorial. Please like and subscribe and click the bell button to get notified on our upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Mabuhay!